Okay, this is our new crutch for a customer, and I'm going to give a quick explanation of how to change the size of it. It's not really quick, but it's adjustable so that it's convenient for the individual. First, we take the two handhold screws out. And these are a very wide thread screw, so when we put them back in, we want to make sure that they go into the same thread so you don't cut the threads out that you've already put in there. Doesn't take too long. Then we take the arm piece out, and there's what we have inside. Those are the adjustment holes to allow for wear or age or whatever, and can be applied to children's as well. We've got quite a bit of distance that you can move on them. I just marked the hole that we're going to use. You can go down to, actually you can go all the way down to this size if we wanted to. In this particular case, she wants it at 13 inches between the handle and there. We do the same thing again. Pop the handle in, slide it up into place. Work the screw in a little bit by hand to begin with. Switch over to the other side. These are Robinson screws, so it makes it a little bit easier to put it in. They're 316 stainless. And we're done. So she can add 3 inches up or 2 inches down, whichever is her preference. The plastic has got screws that go across inside, well inside the body, to lock it into place for the underarm section of it. And in this particular case, the lady has chosen the wider underarm piece. We offer a much narrower one than that. The strength is still there. This is a very, very tough plastic used in the fish industry. These are our own cups on the end. If people are worried, and most people that use crutches are, about the weight of it, this particular crutch itself comes in at 3 pounds, just an ounce or so over. But the cups that are on the end, and this varies considerably into the type that you're going to use, these ones are about the heaviest I've seen, and these two here weigh a pound. Now, the reason why we use 2 cups onto it is this is your position for walking both forward and back. When you're balancing straight up and down, 1 cup is then, if you're using a single cup, it is directly on the floor. But you don't get the usage of the suction or the capping foot area that you do if you have it forward. You have 1 full one down, back you get 1 full one down. That gives you a good grab on any surface that you're walking on. Plus, if it's on a beach or anything like that, it gives you a larger footprint, less chance to fall down. Much better for children in that way. And they'll also adapt pretty quickly to the weight of the crutch. So, as this gets larger, the tubes will be thinner, and therefore a much lighter crutch. In this particular model, at 3 pounds, and considering that the cups weigh 1 pound, so the actual crutch itself with underarm and cross beam or cross handhold is 2 pounds, which is considerably lighter than most and tougher. And considering this is titanium and it's doubled in this area from here to here, there's a double sleeve inside, so that's where there is weight. You have to balance one against the other. If you want something that's truly completely safe, this is as safe as you're going to get on the market when the tubes are doubled.